Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So another phase on the bathroom job completed. Santos and Hector really knocked this tile work out of the park. Whole Schluter system, prep work, Schluter ditcher mat on the floors, heated floors, really nice for these folks. Tile wainscot over here where the soaking tub is going to go. It's a 12 by 24 Carrara marble lookalike porcelain with a matte finish. Schluter Rondeck trim strips. Got a nice waterproof bench in here. Built that out of Schluter panels, very durable. 12 by 24 niche in the wall, glass mosaics. Tile baseboard all the way around. Just another nice touch, keeping things clean. George Robertson will get back here Monday and start on the wall prep, get all this painted out. Cabinets will come in next, get our plumbing set, and the job will be a wrap. If you'd like one like this for yourself, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Love to come work with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.